Morning. Well, today is actually an Arbor Day here in Korea. And extreme dry and windy conditions will continue with many eastern regions under dry weather warning. And conditions don't look any better for containing the fire in Gangwon-do Province. Relative humidity levels are close to 20%, so really a small spark could cause a big problem. And about the wind, we are talking about typhoon-force gusts across the eastern region. In Gangwon-do Province, we've been seeing wind speeds of 10 to 20 meters per second. Now that's similar to tropical depression force gusts and tropical storm strength winds in mountainous regions. And the wind will maintain its power throughout the morning. And about today's weather conditions. Now, today should be a mostly cloudy one for central parts of the country with drizzle at times, but it should be sunnier for southern regions. And afternoon highs will rise a couple degrees higher than yesterday. Saturday is looking a little wet for central areas with light rain of 5 to 10 millimeters in the forecast. And dry and wind conditions will continue for at least another 10 days or so. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.